How to beautify your voice by means of raising and lowering. That means go to high pitch and then go to the low pitch. If you take an example of Sheikh Sudais reading, how he reads the Quran, for example, in Surah Al-Fatiha, the first ayah, he says, he reads like this: Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. That means he raised his voice on two letters, Lam and Ain, and then he lowered down. So there is one exercise for it. You can take the kalima La ilaha illallah. For example, starts with low pitch and then slowly, gradually go up to the high pitch. Like say La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah. Okay, you go up to your last extent of your voice, and then from there go down like this: La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah. Hopefully this practice will make you perfect, and inshallah it will make your sound, your voice very beautiful.